Do you actually enjoy trading and the process of learning how to trade, or are you only doing this because you feel like this is something you have to do? Because I can absolutely assure and promise you that the people that actually enjoy the entire process of learning how to trade will be the ones that actually are able to make it work inside this industry. As where if you turn up to the charts and you are not engaging with your mentor, you are not enjoying the learning, and you are not putting the work in, you're going to find this a lot harder, and you are probably not going to keep it up forever. I really do think one of the most important pillars of life is to do something you enjoy doing, do something you are passionate about. It is 2024 and there are ways you can monetize things that you are passionate about and enjoy. If trading is that, then that's absolutely amazing. However, if you are just not interested in trading, then you've got to ask yourself, is this the thing you're going to be passionate about doing to help improve your life and your family's life and your friends' lives? For me, I really enjoy this. I think it's really interesting. I find it really rewarding to get good at a skill like this, and I understand the time freedom that it gives, which allows me to do other things in my life, and that's what I am passionate about. But you have to ask yourself a very honest question. Is this something you are passionate about as well? Because if it is, I guarantee you it is just a matter of time before you make this work for you. You accept the bad days and the good days and understand that the process will happen a lot quicker because it is something you are willing to put blood, sweat and tears into.